What are you doing? You're trying to be friendly with Bellamy? Yes, Bellamy. Love each other. I know you're not brother and sister, but you're both so cute. And Mommy loves you both. Yes, yes, this is Melody. Melody. Here's her bunny. Here's her bunny. And this is Bellamy. You can see the kisses from Mommy. Pink from my lipstick. And there is your cat friend, Kitty. Yes. Okay. He's sniffing your bunny. He's sniffing your bunny. Getting to know your bunny. Don't eat her, Melody. You want to bite the ribbon on her. Melody. You're washing your butt. Oops. Oh, she picked it up. She picked it up by the ribbon. Don't eat the ribbon. Don't eat the bunny. What are you doing with the poor bunny? Melody. You are a little wild cat. You can't deny your instinct, animal instinct. You will undo the ribbon, will you? You did already. Okay. Melody. Oh, that's not ladylike. That's not ladylike. Yes. So what's happening with the bunny? What's happening with the bunny? You already did. You are taking apart. I hope you don't eat the poor bunny. Bellamy is just stoical. And he just in his man cave, in imaginary man cave, ignoring the little girl. Poor bunny. Poor bunny. What are you doing? You're choking your little bunny. Yes. Hi, Melody. The little blue-eyed girl. He's so cute. He's so cute. You like the ribbon, do you? Like the ribbon. the bubble. Poor little bunny, poor little bunny. Yeah. Bellamy, look at mommy. Look at mommy. The beautiful girl. And that's your cute kitty. Your cute kitty. And your bunny bag. Yes. Okay. So here is Melody going with the little bunny. With the cute little bunny. Okay, we have to finish the movie because it will be too long. Okay, have to go. Don't eat the bunny, Melody. Be kind to the bunny. Alright, bye, Bobby. Bye, my beautiful girl. Da. Look at me with your eyes. Your eyes so dark. Dark blue. Can't see it. Can't see. Okay, bye-bye. 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 Easter Mochi. Easter Bunny. You are my Easter Bunny. And this is my Easter boy. With lipstick on. Look at Momita. Look at Momita, beautiful boy. So cute. He's so cute. And grumpy. You are a grumpy little old man. And she's a cute little girl. Little girl. With the bunny. With the bunny. With the bunny. Okay, I have to finish. I have to finish. Don't eat the bunny. Don't eat the poo bunny. Okay? Bye-bye. Mommy has to go. Mommy has to go. Okay?